What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Rebuild Pros. As you guys seen in the last video, we said we had a surprise. Well, he did.
A 2022 Redeye JailBreak Charger wide body. Look at the damage.
So you guys can see the damage was in the front end.
Very minor damage. No frame damage. Just the front rebar, radiator support, and left fender. So it's leaking cooling because you see this? We started it.
We started it and then it cut through this.
We got
the pulley, hit the radiator hose, and then it started leaking. Not worried about that. We ordered all OEM parts. We got most of the parts in, and we're gonna go ahead and start taking off the front end.
Sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride.
It has peanut butter guts. It's also a wide body. We got the purple exterior. We got new wheels for it. Ordered the flares for the wide body. Both sides needed it. We got the core support for the front. Both of the inner tie rods was damaged. Man, look at that beauty. If it doesn't have a right eye, I don't want it. So we just took out the bolts on each side. There was about like 4 to 6 of them. We just took it off. This is us taking off the core support. Now it's time to put the new one in. You see any damage on that fan?
A little bit.
A little bit of dent?
Yeah.
We're gonna put the camera down and show you guys tear down of the front of a Hellcat Redeye. This ain't no regular Hellcat.
This ain't no regular Hellcat. This ain't no regular Redeye. This is JailBreak.
Doesn't it have like 807 horsepower?
807. Yeah, I think it's 807.
If it don't come off, we're gonna make it. Pull that out, yeah. Okay, there you go. We're getting the radiator out.
So hey,
We got the Hell Dog right here.
he's gonna help us rebuild it. How many horsepower do you think he got?
Let me look at this. Let me look at this. This is the radiator for the supercharger. Look at that. This is the old one.
You know what he does?
What does he do?
He gets our tools ready for us.
I need a 10, a 15, and a 30.
Don't give me that bullshit. Now he's tired.
How many miles do you think is on this Redeye JailBreak? Whoever guesses the right miles will give away something in the next video. So comment down below how many miles you guys think this JailBreak has. Time to take the condenser off and get this bad boy roaring. So are we done for the day, AJ?
Yeah, man, we're tired. It's dark outside. We gotta go home.
Let them know what we changed in this video. Let's give them a recap. What did we change?
Changed the supercharger oil cooler.
Okay.
We opened the upper radiator support, the front rebar. We got the AC condenser here, but we didn't get the one that's in front of it.
We're ordering that from Dodge tomorrow, and then we're also gonna put the whole assembly tomorrow, right?
Yeah, he'll be done tomorrow.
It would have been done today, but we didn't have that one part. We didn't want to just go ahead, put everything on, and then go back and put that on. So we're going to end the nights, go see our families. Thank you for tuning in to Rebuild Pros. Stay tuned. Comment, like, subscribe. Whatever you guys want to see us rebuild next after this jailbreak, let us know.
I already got another one.
No, you do not.
Yes, I do. I already got another one. I keep telling you. If
Why?
I tell you, you got a big mouth. You're just gonna go tell everybody, hey, the next
Man,
video.
it's for the videos. I'm editing all day. I gotta see what's next.
But
What is
I
next?
cannot tell you.
I don't care. Just keep it to yourself. At least he made us proud on this
Once you
one.
see the tow truck pulling in, then you know what it is. I can't tell you what I'm buying because I know you're gonna spoil it.
I am proud of this one. 807 horsepowers on this jailbreak Redeye.
I think I got something that's faster than that, but I don't want to say too much.
Faster than 807?
Yeah, I think 1,000 to be honest with you.
No, ain't no way. I don't believe that. But stay tuned, guys. You'll see us. Welcome back. Thank you for everything.